What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So at previous video we already unboxed a gaming laptop, and now in this video I'm gonna unbox this SteelSeries Arctis 5 gaming headset. If you visit the SteelSeries official site, you will see their headset collections. There are Arctis 3, Arctis 5, Arctis 7, even Arctis Pro, and wired or wireless gaming headset, but I choose this Arctis 5 because this gaming headset is best suited on me. I mean, about the price and the quality are so great. Alright, so in the box you will get the headset, warranty book, manual book, main headset cable, 3.5mm 4-pole adapter, and USB chat mix dial. First, let's talk about the look of this headset. It is pretty simple but elegant with RGB that not too excessive. And of course, the RGB is customizable with SteelSeries free software. You can adjust the color, effect, and wave mode. There are 3 effects: steady, color shift, and multicolor breathe. The body of the headset has matte color. There are 2 color options of this Arctis 5, black and white. The body dominated of plastic that made the headset not too heavy. This headset has 2 headbands, with one of it made by fabric that also used to set the size of the headset. The ear cup can be rotated, so you can put it on your neck, but it doesn't feel comfortable. Better you put it on the table if you not use it. The ear cup made by fabric, so it feels comfortable on ear, but the sound from the headset can be heard from outside. The microphone system is simple. You just pull it up and ready to use. It also has red LED mute indicator, and the mute button is on the left side on the back. Alright, so this is the sound quality of this microphone. Well, I think it's pretty good for $99 gaming headset. This headset has one feature that is unique for me. It is an extra audio jack port, so you can share something that you hear on the headset to your friend. Or this gaming headset using USB as the main interface, but you can use the jack adapter if you want to use the headset on your phone, but the RGB will not active because of low power. About the sound quality, it is good enough for a gaming headset. You can hear every detail of sound while gaming. I'm sorry I can't explain much about sound quality, but if you had a headset, you can make a test of it by visiting some videos on YouTube. There are many 3D sound tests, and I already put some links on the description so you can check it out. Alright guys, that's a little review about this SteelSeries Arctis 5 gaming headset. If you like this video, give me a like, comment, subscribe. See you on my next video.